Imagine waking up tomorrow, and suddenly your favorite social media apps are no longer completely free. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, the apps billions of people use every day. Now imagine being asked to pay every month just to unlock premium features. Sounds crazy? Maybe not. Because the era of free internet may be slowly coming to an end. And what happens next could change the digital lives of millions of Americans forever. For more than 2 decades, people believed social media was free. You downloaded an app, created an account, and started using it without paying a single dollar. But here's the hidden reality. Nothing on the internet is truly free. If you're not paying with money, you're often paying with attention. Every click, every like, every scroll, every second you spend online has value. And that value became one of the biggest business models in human history. Today, advertising still generates billions of dollars for tech companies. But there's a problem. Advertising revenue can rise and fall with the economy. Subscriptions are different. They create predictable monthly income. That's why companies around the world are pushing premium memberships, streaming services, cloud storage, AI tools, music apps, and increasingly, social media platforms. The goal is simple: turn users into monthly customers. Imagine a future where social platforms offer different tiers. Basic access remains free, but premium users receive benefits, fewer ads, advanced privacy tools, better creator features, higher visibility, exclusive AI tools, priority customer support. For many people, these upgrades may seem attractive, but critics worry about something bigger: a 2-tier internet. One experience for paying users, and another for everyone else. In the United States, social media has become deeply connected to everyday life. Businesses rely on it, creators rely on it, students rely on it, families rely on it. If premium features become increasingly important, millions of users may face a difficult decision: pay monthly or accept limitations. For small creators trying to grow online, that choice could become even more important.